Taking proper care of your vehicle is important so you can get the most out of your ride. Available on select 2022 and newer Lexus models equipped with Lexus Interface, Service Connect will allow you to easily monitor your vehicle's health throughout your ownership and provide you with alerts and maintenance reminders so you can be confident knowing your Lexus is running at its best. After you have downloaded and installed Lexus App on your compatible smartphone and enrolled for connected services, you can retrieve vehicle health reports and receive status alerts for your vehicle. As long as your vehicle is in an area where there is reliable cellular service and your smartphone is located in an area with internet connection, you will be able to access these features. The Vehicle Health Report provides important information including safety recalls, maintenance status, engine oil quantity, smart key battery status, and more. Using the Lexus App notification settings, you can elect to have a monthly report sent to your email or request one at any time in the app to ensure that you are always in sync with your vehicle. When a dashboard warning or malfunction indicator light comes on, your vehicle will send you a notification regarding the alert, including a brief description and the best action to take. In the app, you can view the notification and call your preferred servicing dealer to schedule an appointment. Vehicle alerts and maintenance alerts can also be sent to your preferred servicing dealer should you opt in for this convenient service. This allows your preferred servicing dealer to contact you when maintenance is required or a vehicle warning is received to help assist you as it relates to the warning or maintenance alert. This includes assistance with booking your vehicle in for a service appointment to ensure your Lexus is operating as intended. For more information, visit lexus.ca/interface. Thank you for watching this Know Your Lexus video.